Hello, grade 1 students. Good morning. How are you today? Are you ready to study? All right. So welcome again to our science class. Today, we will have lesson 42 about night sky on your textbook, pages 93 to 95. Okay? But before that, we will have time for review. Okay? Now, last time we talked about this chapter 6, the day sky and night sky. And congratulations for answering this. You did very well. Okay? But for today, as I said, we will go to pages 93 to 95 about night sky. So, let us watch this video first about this night sky. So what's beautiful? I love that song. Do you like that song too? Okay, so now let's go back to our lesson. All right, and so we're going to ask ourselves a question. All right, so what's in the sky? Ha ha. We see some things in the sky. From the video clip, what are in the sky? You saw the moon, the stars, a lot, the rain even there. Yeah, the sky is the area above our earth. We can see the sun shining brightly. Well, it's not as shining as my head. In the day sky. What else are in the sky? All right, you see some things in the sky. Is the night sky the same as the day sky? Okay, well, now, have you ever observed the sky at night? Look at the sky at night. What do you see? We can see the stars, the clouds, and sometimes the moon in the night sky. All right. Now, the moon is the brightest object in the night sky. Yeah, why is that? Well, it's the nearest to the earth. Can you count the stars in the sky? Well, in this, maybe you can count, but in reality, you cannot. Well, there are many stars in the sky. You can see that in a clear night sky. Okay? So, you may see the different shapes of the moon. Sorry, it should be M-O-O-N on different weeks. Now, what is the shape of the moon you see? Okay? Now, I want you to try this one. What is the shape of the moon you see? I want you to observe the moon every Tuesday and Friday nights for 5 weeks. It's not easy to do this. Draw the shapes of the moon you observe in the table on the next page and color them. All right? Okay? Right here. This is Tuesday night, Friday night, week 1, week 2, and week 3, week 4, week 5, and you write your conclusion for this activity. All right? Before you can do that, I want you to see the shapes of the moon. If you don't have time to observe the moon in 5 weeks, I want you to see the shapes of the moon on different weeks from this picture. So here are the shapes of the moon in November 2021. Wow, great. Look at that. In the first week, look at that one. Shape of the moon is just this only. It looks like crescent, you know, only like maybe 1/8 size of the moon. All right. So when you look at the sky at night, often you are able to see the moon. All right. But look at in the second week, right? Day 10. Oh, the shape of the moon is bigger crescent now. Now, the moon may not look the same every night, as you see in the third week on day 14. It's bigger now, like half of the moon. But on the in the fourth week, right, you see that it's already here, almost full, but this full moon on the 19th. All right. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes it may look like a circle. Actually, 7 first weeks. It should be, this should be the second week, 14th, and 19th should be the third week. And on the fourth week, you know, sometimes it may look like a semicircle. And on the 24th, is it now the fourth week? Yeah, it looks like half moon. And on the fifth week, oh, it goes back again to the opposite, you know, crescent. Only little of it is shown. I want you to draw that one there, all right, and color if you like. So right here, now the moon looks bright in the night sky. Look, but then, however, the moon does not give out its own light. Why? It only what? Reflects the light from where? The sun. You know, reflects. No light from the moon. It's from the sun. Given to the moon, reflected to us. Okay? All right. Reflects. So look at this simulation. Let's have this simulation. You ask a friend to hold a mirror in front of you. Ask another friend to shine a torch or a flashlight from your back to the mirror. And then, what do you see in the mirror? All right, okay. In the simulation, if the torch represents the sun, which represents the moon, you or the mirror? Okay, remember, the moon reflects. In here, the mirror reflects the light from the torch. Therefore, what represents the moon? The mirror represents the moon. And what is your conclusion? You write your conclusion, right? Okay, right in there. I conclude that, you know, the moon reflects the light from the sun like the mirror does. Okay, so let's laugh. Can you laugh? Why did the cow go in the spaceship? It wanted to see the moon. To me, it's not funny. If it is funny to you, then you laugh. Well. What I want you to do is to what? After this, I want you to post your answers down below, and bye-bye. See you next time. All right. Have a good day.